Hello, welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I traded in ITC. Today my view was bearish in ITC because yesterday I selected this stock. So on a daily chart, I'll show you. This was near the resistance. This was the resistance line. It was trading in a channel pattern and it is near the resistance line. And this was again the major resistance area. This is the area. So on 1 hour, I saw this is the trend line and ITC is continuously going up. So I thought it will retrace to some level. So again on 15 minutes, it was making a uh, M pattern. This was yesterday's closing. So let me show. This was the M pattern. So I was waiting for this area to be crossed today. This is the M pattern low. So on 1 minute, let me remove this. Yeah, this was the M pattern. When the low of the M pattern is crossed, I traded on the breakout, shorted here, and there was 2-3 reasons. For first reason, this was the major resistance area. Also second reason is this trend line was broke. Third reason is low was also broke. And as you can see, lower highs were formed. This was the previous high. This was the lower high. Uh, Again, the fourth reason is you can see the both MAs were crossed here, and it was not crossed when I traded, but it crossed after that. But it was trading below both MAs. Though this was my reasons to trade in ITC. As you can see, it was a good trade, but I was not able to achieve the target in here because you can see it gave this trend line breakout. Initially, when I trailed my SL along with this move, like when it crossed this, it went to this level. It was almost 1:1 trade at this level. So I trailed my SL to this high. This was the high. I kept some points and here was the my SL. So after this channel pattern again it broke down. So when it was near this area, this low was crossed. I trailed my SL to this level, and after this move it was sideways. So I trailed my SL because it was almost near my target and it was missed by some points. You can see very little gap. So I trailed my SL to this level, and here my SL got triggered, trailing SL got triggered, but after this move it went down. This was a weak stock, I guess, as this was near resistance, because as you can see Nifty was continuously in uptrend, but this stock gave nice down move. So after this trade I traded in Nifty. I did option buying. So I was waiting for, again this was the resistance line in Nifty. This blue line was the resistance on higher time frame. I'll show you on 1 hour. This was that line. This was the line. 1, 2, and third time it was possible that it will resist here. And this was again the resistance area. But it crossed today, but it was not able to uh, stay there. See, it was making a good triangle pattern. Sorry, it was making good triangle pattern, and as you can see, the this high, this was previous high, and this was next high, but it was not the highs were not that much difference. It was at the same level, you can say. So after this move it made a lower high, and also it crossed the 50 MA, also crossed the triangle pattern, and I was waiting for this again low to be crossed. When it crossed this low it went down. So again after this retracement retest, when it crossed this level I traded 16,000 P 16. 16,000 P. So this was the my option trade. I bought here 1253. This was the same 1253 area here. So after this move, this was my target 961, almost 40 points. So after this move, it was hovering in this area, it was sideways. It almost went near my target, but again came down almost to my entry level. So I kept my trailing SL to this level first. Then when it came near this area, I drew this trend line. Again, when it went up, I trailed my SL to, sorry, I trailed my SL to, to this level below this candle, because as you can see this was higher highs were forming, and if it crosses this low, so it will be lower lows. So the bullish trend will be over like that. So I kept my trailing SL to here, and after this move it I was able to achieve my target. But as you can see, it gave a good up move because Nifty fell from that level. But I was able to achieve 1:2 in this trade. I did not trail my target here because I was not sure of this move, because no one can predict this much of move. So these were my two trades for today. Thank you for watching my video.